Regrets? Well, JPMorgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon has a few, but the biggest one is that his bank took TARP money from the federal government. In his annual letter to shareholders, Dimon writes, quote, "It just added to the argument that all banks had been bailed out and fueled the anger directed toward banks." Dimon explains that the company repaid the $25 billion of TARP funding and stopped using the $40 billion FDIC debt guarantee program to avoid the stigma. He also takes aim at what he calls the demonization of big banks, criticizing politicians and arguing that multinational groups need large financial institutions if they are to thrive in global markets. Dimon writes, quote, "We have to stop slipping into a cacophony of finger-pointing and blame." He also says his #1 priority this year is to identify a successor. Meantime, Dimon also dangled the prospect of a higher dividend. JPMorgan and other banks slashed their payouts during the financial crisis, and investors are hungering for a return to the good old days.